In previous videos, we have explored the redirecting grid where most of the slots of the corrugated board are empty. This time there will be more slots in the corrugated board that's filled by conductor. The distance between adjacent slot is 3 mm. The filling ratio is 3 slots empty versus 7 slots filled with conductor. The maximum reading we can get from this redirecting grid of the microwave is around 40%. Slight change of receiver's position significantly reduces the reading. Removing the grid makes the reading drops to 0. The results so far support the idea that observed intensity is the result of superposition among individual reactive wave produced by each conductor, which acts like an antenna. In this case, their shapes are thin cylinders.